Faith that breaks barriers, all barriers. My friend, let me ask you, what wall is standing in your way right now? Is it fear, finances, sickness, or doubt? Here's the truth. Faith was never meant to tiptoe around walls. Faith was designed to break barriers. Matthew 19:26 says, Jesus looked at them and said, "With man this is impossible, but with God all things are possible." Matthew 19:26 says, "For we walk by faith, not by sight." Faith doesn't deny the wall exists, it declares the wall cannot stand forever. Faith doesn't ignore the problem, it magnifies the problem solver. When Israel marched around Jericho, the walls didn't fall because of their strength. They lost because of their faith in God's power. You may see obstacles today, but faith sees opportunities. You may feel weak, but faith reminds you that God's strength is made perfect in weakness. Faith declares, "If God is for me, no barrier can stand against me." Faith is louder than doubt. What voice are you choosing to believe this week? Your limitations or God's promises? Faith is active, not passive. Am I just talking faith or am I walking in it? Faith sees the finish line before the race begins. What barrier in your life needs a faith-filled vision today? Family, don't let the walls intimidate you. Lift your voice, lift your prayers, and walk by faith. When you do, God will cause barriers to crumble and promises to unfold. Faith confessions are I walk by faith, not by sight. No wall can stop me, no fear can bind me, no doubt can hold me. 3 reflections for today are: 1. Faith is louder than doubt. What voice are you choosing to believe this week, your limitations or God's promises? 2. Faith is active, not passive. Am I just talking faith or am I walking in it? 3. Faith sees the finish line before the race begins. What barrier in your life needs a faith-filled vision today? You see, our God is greater than every barrier. With Him, all things are possible. Write in the comments section, "Faith wins in my life." And don't forget to subscribe to Faith Beams GP podcast for more stories and encouragement from around the world. Subscribe to Faith Beams GP podcast for daily words of encouragement and inspiration with light humor. Have a blessed and wonderful week. God bless.